sake of complicity, completeness, sorry, 1 by 3 L2 square plus 1 by 2 L1 L2 cos of theta 2 theta 1 double dot. So not only your motor torque is dependent on theta 2 only, but theta 1 also. ठीक है, सब चीज coupled है, मतलब you don't know how it behaves. And mathematics is the only language through which we are able to seek what is happening inside. The only thing is mathematics. उसके अलावा कोई चीज़ नहीं जो मुझे बता पाएगा कि अंदर क्या हो रहा है. प्लस हाफ m2 L1 L2 साइन ऑफ थीटा 2 थीटा 1 स्क्वायर डॉट प्लस हाफ m2 g L2 c cos theta 1 plus theta 2, and this is your second equation. These two equations cumulatively is called dynamical equation. As if this is your dynamical equation, you are making some force and you are getting some response. This is how you are posing some torques or forces and we get. So few terms, इसमें कुछ terms को common लेते हैं and we write it in some fashion. We call it as inertia matrix, then coupling of inertia, and then centrifugal and Coriolis accelerations. So we'll stop here. So if you have numerical values of these two, you can actually estimate. अब let's suppose मुझे इसका रिस्पॉन्स जानना है कि x किसी भी टाइम पे अगर हम 5 न्यूटन फोर्स दिए, इसका मास 1 kg है, डैम्पनिंग कोएफिशिएंट समथिंग है, स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट समथिंग है, अगर 5 न्यूटन का फोर्स दिए तो किसी भी टाइम पे मेरा x लोकेशन क्या होगा, वेलोसिटी क्या होगी और एक्सेलरेशन क्या होगा मुझे पता रहेगा. बस कैसे इंटीग्रेट करके बाय सॉल्विंग दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. अगर मुझे इनिशियल कंडीशंस पता हैं, हाँ, आई कैन सॉल्व इट, आई कैन पिन पॉइंट. इसी तरीके से इसको भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल फाइंड पिन पॉइंट. फिर अगर टॉर्क हम इतना दे रहे हैं, इस तरीके से इतना न्यूटन मीटर दे रहे हैं, एंड तो मेरा क्या होगा थीटा किसी भी टाइम पे, वेलोसिटीज ओमेगास क्या होगा एंड एक्सेलरेशंस क्या होगा, आई विल बी नोइंग विद टाइम इफ आई इंटीग्रेट इट प्रॉपर्ली और वी हैव बाउंड्री कंडीशंस. So far so good. So we'll take a break. And after that I will talk about trajectory planning. There is a new topic. So I promised about PID controllers and all. I will not be able to cover that. I will cover trajectory planning. Trajectory planning. ठीक है, the next session. पॉज कर देते हैं. जो भी मैंने हम लोग ने फॉर्मुलेशन किया वो एनर्जी मेथड से किया. दिस इज इटसेल्फ कम्बल्सन. अगर वो फोर्स मेथड जाएंगे तो और भी हेक्टिक हो जाता है. सो पीपल नीड टू डू दिस एटलीस्ट एज लॉन्ग एज हैंड कैलकुलेशंस आर सर. Okay, so we'll start with something called trajectory planning. Trajectory planning is nothing to do with planning a rally. In the sense, let us suppose I have a lift. So I already told this example. So let's suppose I have a lift and I entered at first floor and I have to go to fifth floor. So at first floor, the lift, let's suppose this is the maybe the angle swept by the motor and the belt drive and something is happening. So let's suppose it starts with some theta and it has to go to some theta final. Theta initial and theta final it has to go. And with time. So you are assessing this with time. So you don't want things to be abruptly go to theta 1 to theta final. Instead, you want things to be smooth. So you start with theta 1 but with a zero gradient. Then you ramp up and before reaching that theta final, you slow down again. Okay, so essentially my gradient here, the slope, I want slope to be 0, both the places. Slope means d theta by dt at that particular time, or d theta by dt at that particular time, you want it to be 0. Okay, you want it to be smooth, and then you carry forward quickly. And then once you reach the destination, before reaching, you want the slope to be 0. Means उस वहाँ पे जो अचानक से वहाँ पे velocity slow होता है. Time rate of change of theta is slow. And this particular aspect is called trajectory planning. Okay, so formally, if I want to define what is trajectory planning, so let me write that. So to obtain trajectory planning is to obtain smooth function of joint variable, and based on these smooth variables, you will actually provide the torque smoothly. Based on that, once you have this, मुझे क्या determine करना है कि theta कैसे होगा, time rate of change of theta or whatever, then you will decide your motor torque. So obtain a smooth function of joint variables with respect to time. Okay, we will quickly take up one example problem, and then we'll wrap this theory part. Okay. And the next session would be your certificate distribution and feedbacks, so we'll not go beyond that. Okay. Mostly we'll wrap up after lunch. We'll give the certificates and whatever you feel like writing. I'll share a Google form as well, along with actually sir has instructed me to give you this hard copy of, you should write something. So yes, please do this. This condition. Okay, so again, I just told that smooth function. So not only you have to keep things slope here 0 and 0, also this should have a continuous smooth whole time derivative function. Okay. So one way is to estimate that this function should be of some polynomial. Okay. And the widely used polynomial is third order polynomial. Okay. Sorry, third degree. So theta t, I start assuming ठीक है, तो उसको हटा दो। हाँ, 2 बार हो गया, राइट। ओके, तो नीचे वाला लाइन में फॉर लिखेंगे, हटा के ना, बस हो जाएगा, समझ गए, ठीक है। ठीक, अपने हिसाब नहीं देते लोगों को, वो बोलेंगे वो फिर एक्स्ट्रा okay. So I assume that my smooth function, that my lift or any robot arm or anything that should follow is something like this: a0 plus a1 theta plus a2 theta square plus a3 theta cube, some third degree polynomial. Okay, and I know, so my idea